Real-life connection camera and convex lens. DSLR camera uses a convex lens. A real and inverted image is formed on the sensor. The lens moves forward or backward to get a clear image. The lens sensor distance changes depending on the object distance. Think, why does the lens distance change for distant and nearby objects? Case study. 4 marks. During a photography workshop, Aditi observes something important. When she clicks a picture of a very distant monument, the lens sensor distance of her DSLR camera measures 8.0 cm. Now, when she photographs a nearby object placed between f and 2f, the lens sensor distance increases to 17.6 cm to obtain a sharp and clear image. The convex lens used in the camera follows the thin lens formula. 1 by f equals 1 by v minus 1 by u. And it obeys the new Cartesian sign convention. Based on the above information, answer the following question. A. Why does the lens sensor distance become equal to the focal length when photographing a very distant object? 1 mark. Answer. When the object is very far away, the light rays coming from it are almost parallel. A convex lens brings parallel rays to focus at its focal point. So, the image of a very distant object is formed at the focal length. Therefore, the lens sensor distance becomes equal to the focal length. B. When the image distance increases from 8.0 cm to 17.6 cm, how does the object distance change, and why? 1 mark. Answer. When the image distance increases, the object moves closer to the lens. So, the object distance decreases. In a convex lens, when the object comes nearer, the image forms farther away from the lens. Simple rule. If the image goes farther, the object comes nearer. Slide 1. See, the focal length of the lens is 8 cm. The image is formed 17.6 cm behind the lens. Find. Part 1. Calculate the object distance. Part 2. Calculate the magnification and state the nature of the image. Given. Focal length, f equals plus 8 cm. Image distance, v equals plus 17.6 cm. Convert 17.6 into fraction. 17.6 can be written as 176 divided by 10. This becomes 88 divided by 5. So, v equals 88 divided by 5 cm. Lens formula. 1 by f equals 1 by v minus 1 by u. Substitute the values. 1 by 8 equals 1 divided by 88 by 5 minus 1 by u. Simplify. 1 divided by 88 by 5 is equal to 5 by 88. So, 1 by 8 equals 5 by 88 minus 1 by u. 1 by 8 into denominator 88. 1 by 8 can be written as 11 by 88. So, 11 by 88 equals 5 by 88 minus 1 by u. Rearrange the equation. 11 by 88 minus 5 by 88 equals minus 1 by u. 6 by 88 equals minus 1 by u. Simplify. 6 by 88 can be reduced to 3 by 44. So, 3 by 44 equals minus 1 by u. Now take reciprocal on both sides. U equals minus 44 by 3 cm. Magnification. M equals V divided by U. M equals 88 by 5 divided by minus 44 by 3. Change division into multiplication. M equals 88 by 5 multiplied by 3 by minus 44. Cancel common terms. 88 divided by 44 equals 2. So, M equals 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 5 multiplied by minus 1. M equals minus 6 by 5. Nature of image. Magnification is negative, so the image is inverted. Image distance is positive, so the image is real. The magnitude of magnification is greater than 1, so the image is magnified. Final answer. Object distance equals minus 44 by 3 cm. Magnification equals minus 6 by 5. The image is real, inverted, and magnified. Or, D. An object 4 cm high is placed 12 cm in front of a convex lens of focal length 8 cm. Find. Part 1. Calculate the image distance. Part 2. Calculate the height of the image and state the nature of the image. Given. Object height, h equals 4 cm. Object distance, u equals minus 12 cm. Focal length, f equals plus 8 cm. Remember, the object is placed on the left side of the lens, so u is negative. For a convex lens, the focal length is always positive. Lens formula. 1 by f equals 1 by v minus 1 by u. Substitute the values. 1 by 8 equals 1 by v minus 1 by minus 12. Since minus minus becomes plus, 1 by 8 equals 1 by V plus 1 by 12. Take the LCM of 8 and 12. The LCM is 24. 1 by 8 can be written as 3 by 24. 1 by 12 can be written as 2 by 24. So, 3 by 24 equals 1 by V plus 2 by 24. Rearrange the equation. 3 by 24 minus 2 by 24 equals 1 by V. 3 minus 2 gives 1. So, 1 by 24 equals 1 by V. Now take reciprocal on both sides. V equals 24 centimeter. Magnification. M equals V divided by U. Substitute the values. M equals 24 divided by minus 12. 24 divided by minus 12 equals minus 2. So, M equals minus 2. Height of image. Image height equals magnification multiplied by object height. Substitute the values. Image height equals minus 2 multiplied by 4. Minus 2 multiplied by 4 equals minus 8. So, image height equals minus 8 centimeter. Nature of image. Magnification is negative, so the image is inverted. Image distance is positive, so the image is real. The magnitude of magnification is greater than 1, so the image is magnified. Final answer. Image distance equals 24 centimeter. Image height equals minus 8 centimeter. The image is real, inverted, and magnified. It can be captured on the camera sensor.